everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2026 in Milwaukee, and I'm here with Jimmy from EOI, and you guys have a new tabletop SEM coming in from South Korea, correct?
That is correct.
Okay, well tell me about it and tell me what's new about it and why it's different from the old one and why people want to buy it.
Well, starting with, it's smaller, okay. But that's not necessarily a reason why somebody would want to buy anything. Yeah. But it seems that things are shrinking down a little bit, even though we are still carrying the same benchtop that we normally have, which is the Cube. Mm-hmm. This new product is geared a little bit towards mobility. Mm. So, for instance, if you're doing like a mobile unit or a military application or even space application, mm-hmm. It's a little bit of a smaller version SEM. But what it does have is it's incorporated with an X-ray system already built in. We write the software. EMCrafts writes the software for it, so it's an all-in-one package. You don't have to go anyplace else. The portability of it allows it to be maneuvered very easily. Obviously, it's just two cables going to a PC. That's all there is to it.
About how much does it weigh?
60 pounds. So we're kind of sort of getting to the smaller end of it. One of these days it'll be like this. Yeah. This will be your SEM.
Eventually.
yeah, your iPhone. But so it still has a lot of the capabilities of a larger SEM. Our normal benchtop has a lot of conventional capabilities as far as acceleration potential, going from 100 volts to 30,000 volts. This thing goes a little bit in steps, so it's 5, 15 kV steps. Also, it does have differential pumping system as far as maintaining a higher vacuum in the gun area, which we're hoping to run a Lab 6 or CB6 with it as well. So, get a little bit better performance at the lower acceleration voltages with it. Where our standard Cube currently, the vacuum is not that high, for instance. So that's another advantage of it. But again, the big push as far as mobility, and it's an all-in-one package and cost effectiveness as well. So if you don't have to go to separate vendors to buy an X-ray system or so on, it keeps the price point down, and we're looking to target a much lower price point, and even for, let's say, beginning, universities and applications like that. So for sure.
Cool. So if people want to find you, EOI online, how do they get a hold of you to learn more about it?
Our website is www.eoyllc.com, and you could also go on www.emcrafts.com as well. So those are the two websites. We've been servicing SEMs here in the States since 1987.
Okay, we're at M&M 2026, and we've got more coming up. Go to Instructinate.com to check out your cool EM merch, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.